Lutron's most popular dimmer is now smart. The new Diva Smart Dimmer has all the features you love about the original Diva dimmer with the added benefit of smart functionality. Your customers get the best lighting experience, and you can increase referrals and decrease unwanted callbacks. You also get more flexibility with 2 different options for 3-way control. Now you can save time and material by adding a second switch almost anywhere without cutting holes or pulling wire. You don't even need a back box. Quickly pair the wireless remote to the Diva Smart Dimmer and mount the remote to the wall to add a second point of control. It'll look and work just like an additional switch. Or, if you already have a wired 3-way application, use the Diva Smart Dimmer with the existing 3-way mechanical switch. It couldn't be easier. The Diva Smart Dimmer works with existing wiring, and you don't need a neutral wire. Diva Smart Dimmers are a perfect complement to existing paddle-style controls. They feature an intuitive design with precise dimming and a soft glow light bar. And convenient preset functionality. The Diva Smart Dimmer is part of the Caséta by Lutron family and offers your customers the same convenient option to start small and expand the system at any time. Just add a Smart Hub to take the greatest advantage of the Caséta system. The Smart Hub makes it easy to unlock powerful system features. Your customers can add scenes and schedules to the Lutron app to create the right light for any occasion. And have peace of mind in knowing they'll always come back to a well-lit house. Leverage your familiarity and trust in Lutron to offer the most connected smart lighting control solution on the market. The Diva Smart Dimmer is the perfect entry into the ever-growing demand for smart lighting control. Learn more at CasétaWireless.com.